Hi friends, this is Prabhat for Tech BSD. As you can see that today I have the Amazon Fire TV stick for unboxing. So before unboxing, let me show you the price of the device. So the price quoted here is 4000 rupees, but I bought it for 2800 Indian rupees, which is roughly converted to 40 US dollar. So this is a HDMI stick with the voice remote. You can see that the application you can install on this stick is mentioned here, and there are bunch of other applications you can also install. So just go for the direct unboxing because there is nothing special in the box. So I'm gonna use my knife. Oh. So I think that's about it. Yeah. So let me show you there's nothing in the box. You get the black box. Going further, what do you have? You have the charger to power your Fire TV stick, and the rating here is 1 ampere and 5 watt. So this is a normal charger. Going further, you get the 2 batteries from Amazon. So that's nice. They included the batteries. And now you have the voice remote. So let me just remove it from the plastic. So this is the remote with voice button, and here is the Amazon branding. You can put your batteries just like that. If I am not wrong, yeah, correct. So that's about the remote. Going further, what do we have? We have the documentation, a quick setup guide, thank you note. So let me keep it side, and what is this? Okay, we have the power cable to power the Fire TV stick, which is I think is right here. You can see that. So it is a simple micro USB cable. You can put it your cable, I guess, yeah, like this, and this will be go in your HDMI port in your TV. So going further, I think we have something. Yeah, this is a dongle, HDMI extender. You can use it if there is some, like, you are not able to put the cable, the Fire TV stick directly, so you can use this extender. Like this, so you have the flexibility with this. So apart from this, I think this all is. We get a remote with this cable, a HDMI extender, and the power brick. So I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is Prabhat for Tech BSD.